welcome back. In the last video, we used a master prompt to build this Kanban board. It looks great, the UI is clean, and the database is connected. But here is the reality of software engineering: code breaks. I just tried to drag a task from draft to published, and look what happens. It didn't move. The UI updated for a second, then snapped back. If you're a beginner, this is the moment you panic. But if you're a vibe coder, this is just step 2. Just like we have a framework for building, we have a framework for debugging. Most people just type "it's not working" into the chat. Do not do that. The agent needs 3 things to fix a bug efficiently. The action: what did you do? The expectation: what should have happened? The reality: what actually happened, including errors. Let's apply that to our Kanban board. I'm telling the agent, I tried to drag a card from the draft column to the in review column. I expected the status to update in the database, but the card snapped back. Watch the agent. Because I gave it the specific error, it knows what exactly to fix. The agent didn't just tell me, it wrote the fix there and applied it to the application. Now let's test it again. Boom, fixed. I didn't touch the SQL, I didn't touch the React state. I just clearly communicated the gap between expectation and reality. Debugging isn't about knowing every error code by heart. It's about being a clear communicator. Replit Agent can fix almost anything if you tell it exactly what's wrong. If you haven't built this app yet, go watch the previous video to get the master prompt. And if you are ready to start building, use the link in the description. If you use my code to get Replit Core, you get access to the smarter agents that can handle these complex logic bugs way faster. Go break some code and then fix it. See you in the next one.